Things you must know when you travel to Korea. Traveling to a new country is always exciting, but it can also be intimidating if you're not familiar with the local customs and culture. Korea is a beautiful country with a rich cultural heritage, but it can also be a challenging place to navigate for travelers who don't know what to expect. Today, I'll cover some essential things you should know before you travel to Korea. 1. Basic information about Korea. Before you start planning your trip to Korea, it's essential to know some basic information about the country. Korea is located in East Asia, and it's divided into two countries: North Korea and South Korea. The capital city of South Korea is Seoul, and it's a bustling metropolis with a population of over 10 million people. The official language of Korea is Korean, but most Koreans speak some English, especially in tourist areas. 2. Getting around in Korea. One of the best ways to get around Korea is by using the public transportation system. The subway and bus systems are efficient, clean, and affordable. Taxis are also readily available, but they can be expensive, especially during peak hours. It's essential to have your destination written in Korean to show the taxi driver, as many drivers don't speak English. 3. Accommodation. Korea has a range of accommodation options to suit all budgets. From luxury hotels to budget hostels, there's something for everyone. If you're on a tight budget, hostels are a great option, and they're usually located in central areas of the city. If you're looking for a more upscale experience, there are plenty of luxury hotels to choose from. 4. Food. Korean food is known for its bold flavors, and it's a must-try for anyone visiting the country. Some popular dishes include kimchi, bulgogi, bibimbap, and Korean barbecue. If you have any dietary restrictions, it's essential to let the restaurant know in advance. Vegetarian and vegan options are available, but they can be limited, especially in smaller cities. 5. Culture and customs. Korea has a unique culture, and it's essential to understand some basic customs before you visit. For example, it's customary to remove your shoes when entering someone's home or a traditional Korean restaurant. It's also polite to bow when greeting someone, especially someone older or in a position of authority. If you're visiting a temple or shrine, it's important to dress modestly and be respectful of the sacred space. 6. Language. While most Koreans speak some English, it's always helpful to know some basic Korean phrases. Some useful phrases include hello, 안녕하세요, thank you, 감사합니다, and excuse me, 실례합니다. Knowing some basic Korean can also help you navigate public transportation and order food at restaurants. 7. Currency. The currency in Korea is the Korean won KRW. Credit cards are widely accepted in major cities, but it's always helpful to have some cash on hand, especially in smaller cities or rural areas. There are plenty of ATMs in Korea, but it's essential to check with your bank to make sure your card will work in foreign ATMs. 8. Weather. Korea has 4 distinct seasons, and the weather can vary widely depending on when you visit. Spring March to May and fall September to November are generally mild and pleasant, while summer June to August can be hot and humid. Winter December to February can be cold, with temperatures dropping below freezing. It's essential to check the weather forecast before you visit and pack accordingly. 9. Etiquette. Koreans place a high value on etiquette and respect, and it's important to be mindful of this during your visit. Some basic etiquette rules to keep in mind include: use 2 hands when giving or receiving something. Don't point with your index finger. Use your whole hand instead. Avoid public displays of affection. Don't talk loudly or make a scene in public. Cover your mouth and nose when sneezing or coughing. 10. Safety. Korea is generally a safe country, but it's important to take some basic safety precautions during your visit. Keep your valuables close to you, especially in crowded areas, and be mindful of your surroundings at all times. It's also important to stay alert when using public transportation, especially late at night. 11. Must-see attractions. Korea has a wealth of attractions to explore, from ancient temples to modern skyscrapers. Some must-see attractions include Gyeongbokgung Palace in Seoul, Jeju Island, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, the DMZ demilitarized zone between North and South Korea, Bukchon Hanok Village in Seoul, the traditional markets of Busan. 12. Shopping. Korea is a shopper's paradise, with everything from high-end fashion to affordable streetwear. Some popular shopping destinations include Myeongdong in Seoul, known for its cosmetics and fashion shops. Dongdaemun Market in Seoul, a popular destination for affordable fashion and accessories. Gwangjang Market in Seoul, a traditional market selling everything from clothing to food. Lotte Department Store, a high-end shopping destination with locations throughout Korea. In conclusion, traveling to Korea can be an exciting and rewarding experience, but it's essential to be prepared before you go. By following these tips and doing your research, you can have a safe and enjoyable trip to one of Asia's most beautiful and unique countries.